What's up, dude?
What's up, big guy?
Not much, just
I
looking
got
at
a
my
little
drow.
nice. Your face isn't showing.
Here, one sec. I'm gonna grab my coffee. I'll be in a sec.
Copy that.
Yo, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's up?
Um, I took the first presented fair value gap Pine script, plugged in the chat GPT. I said, all right, I need this for now 130. It gave me the exact code. All I had to do was just change like 2 lines and fucking plugged it in. Now I have the 130 fair value gap.
How do you look at the code of an indicator?
At the bottom, or you can like right click on an indicator, I want to right click actually. It's
Oh
the three
shit, dude.
three dots more, and then you go
Yeah.
to
Oh,
source
about the
code.
script, source code.
Yep. And then it'll open up Pine
No
script at the bottom.
shit,
Pine editor. Yep.
dude.
So just fucking mess around with that. So yeah, and then you can change the names of them too in Pine script. All you gotta do is just create, you create just like a copy of your own, basically.
So we could just create our own indicators, basically.
Well, yeah, I mean, if it's close to something, that's like a fucking easy fix. Because all you did was just change the time on that indicator. That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude,
if it's
that's
fucking
clutch.
close to it. So.
That's clutch.
Uh-huh. So yeah, I have the first, you can change the names of them too, if you want to change the names of all of them. Pretty sweet.
Alright, Big Ty, what are you thinking, dude?
What do I
Daily
have?
Civvy?
Hold on. Let's go back to old Tie Guy. I mean, I think we're going to keep going higher, but what do we have to do? Do we have to take out sell side first before going? My thing is, I do think we're going to end up taking out sell side.
I think we will. The question is, do we tap this daily civvy first?
Control copy.
Or this Nawag?
Weekly. Bro, the level on ES is fucking. Say that one more time. Sorry, I was changing up some shit.
No, I didn't say anything.
Your face still isn't showing because you're a bum.
Bro, what are you talking about? My face is showing.
No, it's not. It's just like
Jensen,
yesterday.
you didn't see me at all yesterday?
No, we just didn't see your face.
Bro, what the fuck?
Now you
I
can.
don't know.
What the hell did you do?
Alright, there. Just nothing. Just fucking made you look.
Made you look. You're a fag. What do I think's gonna happen? Let's fucking see.
I would love for us to fucking trade up into this new AUG above us and just take sell side at potentially even have like a Tuesday high of week.
Well, I
off
kind of
this.
like the opposite, to be honest. I'd rather see sell side taken first. Well, if we get above the swing high at CPI, I think we will just go to the Nawag. Because it's the higher high setup. Because once you take out relative equal highs, that swing should not get violated because that's the swing it needs to quickly reject from. Right? So if it makes that higher high on that swing, then it's probably going to keep going higher. As order flows then turn to bullish. So if it takes that high out, I'm definitely looking bullish. But until then, honestly, like I like searching for those lows, skis real quick.
Yeah,
I got
look,
the
it looks fucking London low looks fucking sexy as a mug, man.
yep, don't have SMT on them either. Low resistance liquidity run. Put so many levels on that sheet, boy. On that sheet, boy.
Yeah, I mean I like either way playing out.
Yeah, I don't really care which way it goes, but if it goes one way, I'll take it. Fuck it, you know?
100%. Dude, I can't believe you could just fucking tweak an indicator like that. That makes so much sense.
Like that shit?
I like that shit, dude.
Like that shit?
I do like that shit. I was watching a lot of ICT because he's all about like those time-based ranges.
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to watch some of his shit last night. Dude, we're just so fucking bullish, man.
Yeah, definitely a little bully here.
I would like an intermediate term high to form up here, though. Then come back into like Sunday's open later this week.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell from yesterday's first presented PM session if we get below it. It's also that 1 hour fair value gap, the low of it.
Yesterday, first presented PM.
PM.
Session.
Shit, I could probably put the timestamps on. I can literally give you the exact time without having to scroll back.
Bro, you could probably just ask
include
it to
time.
Why don't you just? Why do you need two? Why don't you just ask it to create both within it?
I can. I mean, it's just whatever. It was just like literally like 2 edits that I had to do. Nothing crazy.
So anything first fair value gap after 130? What, 132?
There you go. What about 132?
Talking about the first presented PM.
It's at 131. Yeah. First presented, it's 131. Got my beef jerky ready to go. ready to eat. But that's it. Just on the 1 hour fair value gap. What time is that? Like 7 a.m. maybe? 8 a.m. 7. We invert that. Know what I mean?
Wait, say that again?
One hour. NASDAQ. 7 a.m. fair value gap. If we invert that, I love lower.
Yeah. It's a good level. And what else I like?
Because the
Dude, how about
low of that.
yesterday, bro? That 5-minute balance price range. I'm literally like, this is a Venom model, and then he makes a fucking YouTube video about that being his Venom model.
Time distortion Venom model.
Yeah, the time distortion.
That fucks you.
Yeah.
12 p.m. just rips, bro. Such a like a. It's just an easy
Dude.
characteristic to sniff out, bro. Like if 11 shit, dude.
Bro, if 11 shit and you're pretty one-sided, then expect lunch to be parabolic.
I mean, technically, bro, like 10 a.m. was kind of shit. It just kind of consolidated as well. Like the only thing that was actually kind of halfway decent was fucking 9:30. 9:30 was really the only decent time. I mean, 10 a.m. we did have that extension lower then, technically, but like, it's still just bought back up in the range. But yeah, that 5-minute Venom model was stupid, bro.
It was a good trade, dude. I just, to be
Incredible
honest,
trade.
it's so tough to like trust ES as the leader.
Yeah.
Dude, we might just be distributing above this right now.
Maybe. Yeah, nothing in there interests me. But yeah, baby. First presented PM. Come on now.
Yeah, honestly, I would like to see we sell off at least the London lows and then fucking go higher. But I'd also take the other way around. I think from a weekly PO3 narrative, I'd rather see it go higher, but
$21. You listen to that kind of shit?
No.
Look at your little smug face. You listen to all that?
No, not really.
Oh,
Kayla
yeah.
does.
Nuh-uh.
Kayla knows how to aux, man. She's got all that shit. What do I listen to? Depends, dude. I like for what? If I want to just focus and like trade, I'll listen to like some like instrumental, but like what my favorite music is. I don't know, I like rap. I like alternative. I don't mind country.
I'm a rock guy.
Really?
I like rock denominations. So I love rock country. I love alternative rock. Those are the two like I fuck with heavy.
Alright.
Whoa, sell side take him. See it buy up. 15-second.
Dude, I wanna see us take fucking London. Fuck all this little shit. 9 a.m. fair value gap. 9:30 on the 15 is pretty solid. You'd have to present at 10:30 though.
Oof, not good. Here you go. T Freddy already munching out here. I'm fucking munching. You gotta present at 10:30, bro. Fuck that.
Yeah, I know.
But what, you want to stay on and tape read a little bit?
Yeah, I'm down.
That's what's up. That's right, KP, like that.
Alright, dude. I think actually the market, I'm gonna wait. Let's let it tilt its hand to us. But I like one of two narratives that we've talked through.
Yep, up, down, or down, up.
Yes, sir. Alright, Big Ty, let's fucking lock in, brother.
Let's go. 15 minutes. CPI has a nice fucking gap right there. I'm gonna mark that out.
15.
15,
yeah,
5 minute. Definitely putting that out in time. That bad boy's looking good. Bam, we just hit off of it. Incredible reaction from it. Crazy reaction from it. Going to go revisit that high. On the 1 minute. Have that nice fair value gap right there. Could invert it. Really big sibby. Let's see what it does. Just that to go lower, maybe.
Dude, I would love for this 4 hour to be awake.
Could be heading to that CPI low. Yeah, sell side needs to get taken kind of soonish here. On the 4 hour. Maybe 1 hour. 1 hour sell side's been kind of taken at 3 p.m. yesterday, but so. What's the regular trading hours look like? So we're at the relative equal highs. We're gonna have a gap higher. It's gonna be like a 50-point gap if price stays here. Where is ES? ES set in the dog, which is there. ES gonna have a tiny gap, like a 4-point gap if it stays around this level. I don't know. I like a little consequent encroachment of the gap too. Keep going if it wants to go higher. Off rippy. I mean, you just had that 15 minutes just mid-wick from the PM session, the last one of regular trading hour, 4 p.m. 15 minute mid-wick right there. So you're looking just at the regular trading hour chart. I mean, it looks kind of convincing. There we go. There's the gap. Consequent encroachment's kind of near that mid-wick. Let's see how it reacts to the consequent encroachment. If it doesn't even get down there, dude, it might fucking spool. I'm gonna put the what mid-wick I want on this. Because they're all different. All the mid-wicks are different for the CPI mid-wick. 1, 5, and 15. Usually if one of them matches up, I like to use that one. So let's say like the 15 and 5 match up, and then the one that has a different mid-wick on it. I'd like to use the 15 and 5, but they're all fucking different, so I wouldn't even know which one to use. KB said great scenario. I know, right? If it goes down, we'll go get it. If it goes up, we'll go get it. Consequent encroachment, almost taking out some sell side. Are those mid-wicks the same? Discount? Oh, discount mid-wicks are the same. Damn, immediate reaction. SMT on those lows. Yes, buying all the way back up here. Jeez, very decoupled right now. They're getting a little bit back in sync. Took out some buy side liquidity there on the 1 minute pre-market. Crazy reaction back down lower. See how we do on CPI's volume imbalance? The retrade of it, just trade down to yesterday's high. Showed great reaction from that low. Breaker right here for CPI's high. Could be a unicorn. 1 minute. $2022 unicorn.
First presented too.
Oh fuck.
That is a pretty nice confluence, brother.
SMT on the lows. 5 minute low SMT. I love how ES made the higher low and it's not extending as far as NASDAQ. NASDAQ made the lower low and the higher high. Love. YM's trading lower. It's very decoupled right now.
I mean, look, this is a great setup, but I just sketch.
Volume imbalance, that's the true first presented right there as well.
Dude, that's pretty rare you get a first presented form as a 22 model unicorn. Last leg.
Crazy.
Yeah, that was my setup right there.
Just 9:30.
Just 9:30 and one, it didn't even get filled.
Yeah, I would have taken it from the actual wicks. There she goes. Banger. How you doing? Missed it by a tick.
Yeah. Had the order on too.
KP getting into that buy, attaboy. Shit, bro.
KP, let me grab that counterparty liquidity.
You say he only needs $300 to pass his accounts.
What are you taking, Apex?
I
KP,
forget.
whatever you do, dude, don't rush it.
Yeah, we've been there before.
Just take your fucking trades and manage risk, dude.
He's in Tradeify growth accounts.
Oh, nice.
Love.
We take it on NASDAQ?
He said rebill is tomorrow. I'm going to get it by today.
I don't think we did take it, right?
No,
believe it.
that's about a tick. KP, even though the rebill's tomorrow, bro, like you can't get it today, but honestly, if you don't find a good setup today, I wouldn't even be worried about it, bro. I'd pay the extra 180. Because let's say you blow it, you're going to pay an extra 180 and start all over versus paying the extra 180 or whatever the hell it is. I'm just using 180 as an example.
And being $300 away.
Exactly, $300 away.
KP, I made that mistake so many times, just forcing a trade and trying not to get rebuild and just blowing the account.
And that's how they do it to you. Psychology. Psychology thing that. Oh, from real. You said mad. Yeah, you'd probably be more mad than paying the rebill. Exactly. What I tell you all the time. That's why we here. Appreciate y'all. That's right, KP. I'm in an IFed true last leg to take out the high. That's crazy. GG's. No shot it leaves it.
Might on ES.
Very clean right there. All right, I need to stop beating so I fucking lock in. Any continued tape reading? Yep, so we just took out the high CPI. If it extends through it, leave a fair value gap. I say on like the 5 or 15 minute. We extend through this high. Either the 5 or 15. Because the hour chart, it looks like it still can topple over because it didn't really make a swing high on the hour. 15 it did. So I want to see it on the 15 or 5.
All right, Ty, I'm watching for some distribution SIGs here.
Let's see it.
set the bug up. Hey, you got your presentation.
Is that your girl Kayla?
It is.
Hey.
She's got a big report out today. The kids, they grow up so quick.
My God, crazy.
Alright, dude. Fuck you, ES. Bro, I guarantee you ICT's short right now. He's literally stooping this.
All that.
Nah, I'm probably wrong.
But extends. Gotta extend like fucking high as shit.
ES isn't a premium, it is a weekly civvy.
It basically has to get to like the event horizon between CPI's high and the low of the week open gap above us, and then retrace from there. So around like 21,100.
Bro, wouldn't it just draw into the Noag at that point? I think it probably will right now.
KP said, Ty, I tried another scalp. Uh-oh. You got it. 100% you got it. You're fucking with me. $30 on one account and 50 on the other account. Yo, this dude. This dude's funny. Oh yeah, Pizzle. It'll be alright. Patience, bro. Write down how you're feeling right now, bro. Literally. Like, that's the game that the prop firms just try to play. Write down how you're feeling and just lock back in and fucking just tape read. Take a good setup. That's all you got to do. Don't worry about the money. Just worry about taking a good setup. It will work out, I promise. Going down to micros. Good, bro. Good. Oh, you're making great moves. Great moves, KP. Invert first presented. Take it down to the lows of
do not
ES.
trade a fucking mini if you need to make $300.
That's what I'm saying. He goes and ripping a Jeeb. Yeah, my accounts are fucking down, bro. Down. Right now. So far down. It's kind of laughable. I got one more trade on my top step. One more trade on my take profits. My Apex accounts are up $600, but they were up like 1,200 earlier last week. I've lost 4 trades in a row. It's been streaky, bro. Just been fucking super streaky. Just trying to survive. Just catch a fucking streak. A little win streak. I would love ES to invert that first
Archie.
presented.
Hey, drop the sock, dude. God fucking damn it, Archie. God damn it, dude. One sec. Yeah,
They're still
Ty, it
kinda
has been a little
decupped.
tough lately, dude.
Just gotta grind it out.
100%.
That's it. Trying to grind it out. Are we on Top Step?
Bro, you can't tell me we're not gonna fill some of that regular trading out I got.
Might fill it up. When do we
Did
get
we already
rebuilt for
fill
this?
half?
Start April 17th. So at the end of this week to either blow this Top Step account or get a new one. Since I'm so far and under drawdown, I'm just gonna probably just fucking blow it. Say fuck it. I have to make $10,000 before losing. Well, I have to make $8,500 before losing $500. It's possible.
All it takes is one with trade, dude.
I'm saying. Just takes one. Just takes fucking dub.
Archie, shut the fuck up, you little whiny bitch.
Damn, Archie, get fucked. Leaving relative equal lows there on the 1 minute on NAS. Those were probably getting swept. At least they should. Crazy 1 minute relative equal lows. I will be attacking that later.
Oh yeah. I think we're close to leaving a little manipulation leg up here.
Just fucking rip higher for all of 9:30, even 10 o'clock, and then just fucking tumble back over 11, 12 o'clock, just like it does every fucking session.
Did we know the times now?
Yeah, we can see overnight, bro. We can see it.
Alright, we need to fucking develop a script to fucking tell us the times for the last like 10 years.
Well, we gotta get all that data. We don't have that data.
I know. Listen, bro, I got that data. I got that fucking data.
You got the data.
I know how
Okay.
to find that data.
Oh, yeah?
God damn it, dude. Got a shit. Got a whole lot going on. Damn, dude, you think I have time to sneak a shit in? Alright, I'm gonna try and be as quick as possible.
Ollie. Those lows are probably gonna get tagged here. Yoink. Right here on this pass. We're doing the next 2 candles. Maybe 3. I'll give it 3 candles. So just yoink it here. Should go yoink. Say, hey, how you doing? Oh, it doesn't do it. Just consolidating. All retail's like, oh, bear flag. Or bull flag, look at the flag. Look at the flag. Look at it. Break out to the upside. Tank for lower. False break. Take it out over this high. Keep this high in. Take it out over those. Keep that high in. And now tank for the lows. Aw, dang it. There you go. Give me a close and just a whip back down. That's some ass right there. Yep, just go down for the low skis. False breakout. False breakout, huh, babe? Motherfucker. Why are you giving retail all their fucking shit, bro? Give them a little bit of life and switch it up on them. ES still just has a little bit to go. That's why it's kind of fucking around. Little fuckery. Little sant. All looks like shit though. About 21, 100. I don't want to see it turn. $21, 100. You missed it, bro.
I didn't miss shit, buddy.
The bull flag breakout.
Can't wait to short this fucking thing.
Yeah, same. $9.52 Ripper.
The only thing is that this 4-hour close might be pretty damn bullish on NASDAQ.
Fuck it. Hope it is.
To daily PDA though.
Fuck it. ES looking for a little last leg here.
Yeah. Dude,
Taking
YM,
out.
man, look at that fucking thing.
That thing's disgusting. ES. Bro, the wick on the micros is 10 points higher than the wick on the minis for ES CPI. There you go. There's ES. Should run the highs here. Should run a tire. Should run, 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 run. Come on, honey. 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 Honey.
Dude, if this forms at 10 a.m. tie, oh my god.
Yep. Fuck me
Dude, right
sideways.
at 10 a.m. NASDAQ sweeps the high, ES doesn't. Just complete market structure shift.
Damn. Get it here. No remorse. I mean, I'm gonna take that to the midweek open gap. If we can get that drop, if we can get the 5-minute close, that fair value gap, I'll take it to it. But it's just too parabolic right now. I feel like buying the first order block fair value gap in the sequence. I need some sell side to get rated. I don't know, KP. It might. Does it say that on both of them? So there's two. There's a cash value and net liquidity. Both the tabs. Yeah, I mean, you should be good then. They're both saying that. Just keeps going. Almost gonna get to a new week open gap. Pretty parabolic. Harry. Parabolic. Pretty P. What are we thinking?
I'm just waiting. We haven't
Just
gotten
waiting.
to draw. I mean, I'd still like to see it reverse somewhere around here, but we'll see.
Keep on waiting. Waiting.
I'll tell you what, my dream scenario. And it didn't happen. Tell you what though, dude, we're making a pretty damn good left side of the curve. Pretty fucking clean.
Mm-hmm. You'd think those lows will be revisited. 1 minute relative equal lows.
100%. We might have to wait for the time. I mean, NQ's drawn to that daily inefficiency. Fuck yes, got up here. She's so fucking bullish, man.
Didn't Trump just say he's not doing the tariff thing though? With China?
I don't know.
Yeah, it just like came out.
I don't think so.
There you go.
Delivered. Dude, that's like extreme bullish order flow delivery right there. Right at 950, dude. Just fucking spools it for the next 20. Dude, give me a little swing low formation here. Come back up one more time. Dude, that 940, like 1 minute consolidation is so fucking clean.
Uh-huh.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Yo, what's up?
Dude, I was texting in Ty's chat for the last 10 minutes. He wasn't even looking off his phone, dude. Holy shit.
Dude,
Bro.
guy can't. That's crazy, dude.
Ty's scrolling and snacking. That's what KP said. He goes, yo, he's scrolling and snacking.
That's it. I don't know what else to do, bro. If not in this trade early, I ain't getting into it.
I know, dude. I was trying to get your attention for too long. I was like, I gotta just log in the teams.
Oh my god, big guy, I want to see a fucking little reversey right here.
Let's go, dude. Dude, West Coast trading's kind of sick, Big Sean.
Yeah.
I think Mountain Time's perfect, dude. It's 2 hours. 3's a little crazy.
Yeah, it has its moments. Dude, what the fuck is this shit doing, man? This might just be a 10:30 one.
Was there news today?
Yeah,
CPI.
That makes sense.
Literally parabolic. Oh, it would be nice to be in these kind of trades, bro.
I agree with that statement.
I didn't get filled on that first P. I mean, I would have definitely been out by now.
No, I'd still be in.
True. Alright, 15-minute SFD, 15-minute SFD.
Damn, dude, that 5-minute breakaway gap didn't even get filled, bro. That's so fucked. What the hell?
Oh, I don't have my PNL up because it just fucking shuts down my fucking laptop.
Damn, at least you found out the culprit.
Yeah. It's so wild that it's that, because it's like, what the fuck, Ty? So you're not showing us your actual fucking trades. It's like, yeah, I fucking wish.
Oh, dude, here we go. We can
Yep,
start-
exactly.
we can-
Scamming people now.
Dude won't show his P&L. That's crazy. 10:30 reverse piece would be nuts.
Gnarly.
Your 10:15 is the new 10:30.
What?
You never been by yourself, Al?
Yeah. Why?
Do you have any friends?
Just felt
Yeah.
relevant to ask.
You're gonna bring
I
by
was gonna
yourself.
It's like, I don't know, fucking your
You got some
brother
shit
miss.
to talk, dude.
Yeah, actually, I fucking do.
Bro, we're running all the way back down to first P. I'm calling it.
Oh,
Fuck
I
it.
totally
Wow.
agree, dude.
Dude, I'm
First
gonna get my
P.
laptop out.
Coming in hot.
Fire up some Ninja Traders.
Let's take the sell, you pussies won't.
First P.
Every fair value gap just getting respected here.
Dude, this is like fucking masterclass on institutional.
On 1
order
minute
flow.
order flow.
This is
KP said he
retarded.
passed. Let's go, baby. K Pizzle.
All right, consequent encroachment of this daily fair value gap.
I'm just gonna buy it before 10:30.
Dude, we might be at all-time highs this week. Like, what the fuck
Oh.
is happening?
Buy it before 10:30.
Dude. Honestly, Ty, if you went short at 10:30, I bet you, and you put your stop like reasonably, you'd be
At the
fine.
swing.
Yeah.
Dude, we're ripping.
Fucking retarded.
Let's go, dude. All-time high, Big Sean.
My boy KP. KP just passed his accounts.
Dude, the fact that all-time highs are even in the conversation right now is nuts. But dude, that's what we were talking about last week. We were like, "Yo, this is a huge inflection point, right, Big Sean?"
Nah, I don't remember that. Nah, I'm kidding, yeah. Like, what the fuck is this kid talking about, Ty?
I have no idea, bro. He's always been off his rocker.
You gotta be off your rocker.
It's that fucking Utah altitude, dude. Fucking
Dude,
with
that's
his
just making
brain
me.
chemistry.
The altitude makes me fart like a motherfucker.
Where are you right
Is
now?
that a thing?
Yeah,
Never heard
I
of
asked
that
ChatGPT, dude. It says when you go up in altitude, there's less atmospheric pressure, and then that does something to your gut and makes the gas in your gut expand because less pressure takes up more volume, and then you fart more.
Wow.
Just science, bro. Just ripping ass all the time.
He totally
Hey,
did
Alex, that's
that.
what I did before everybody got on. I put into ChatGPT the Pine script for the first presented fair value gap indicator and asked it to change it to the first presented PM fair value gap, and then it gave me how to edit it and just to go into this line, change it to 130, change it to 1330, and I'm like, cool. So now I have the
What
first
about the
presented
mid-
on.
You should also edit for the midnight one from midnight to 12:30. That's also an opening range that he has.
Well,
first
that's-
presented.
Oh, that's the first. That's another first presented range as well. I thought I was just
Yes.
the range.
It's both. There's 3 first presented fair value gaps throughout the day.
Dude,
Really?
every opening has. You could apply it to any
That's
fucking
sick though,
time frame.
Ty. I love that. Was it easy?
Very.
Dude, so now
I mean,
you're
I could just do it
saying-
literally till I could just do it to the other one right now. Like I don't even need to look back. All you gotta do is just edit the times in the Pine script.
Dude, what a time to be alive. That's sick. And Big Sean, I'm in Moab right now.
Oh shit.
Moab,
What are you
Yeah,
guys
dude.
doing? Just fucking hiking and shit?
bowling.
Yeah, 2 days ago we hiked Arches all day, and then yesterday we went mountain biking for 4 straight hours. Dude, it was
No
nuts.
shit.
It's my first time ever mountain biking.
Your parents are
fucking-
about that life?
Dude, this is our first time we've ever done a trip like this. We normally just go to a beach and sit on it.
Yeah.
Good for you guys.
Yeah, it's sick. I'm gonna be in better shape when I get home from my vacation. It's gnarly.
Love.
love
10-17, tanking.
Nah, we're
First
not
3
done.
consecutive down closes here.
No manipulation at the highs.
Imagine just 1 minute reversal.
Just nothing. Yeah, we'll make an institutional swing point right there.
Now if we come up here and sweep that shit. Oh. Oh. Give us a 2022 model, Ty. Come on.
Yo, are
Give
there
us a swing point.
Big Sean, you know about fucking HDMI cables and shit like that. Are there like better HDMI cables that like make the picture better? I guess not even make the picture better,
I
but
don't
make
know
the
if it's
response better.
I don't know, man. You got Grok. Grok knows what's up, dude. Why don't you ask that motherfucker?
Yeah, I thought you would
I
just know. So, but whatever, bro.
I
It's
mean,
cool.
the answer is yes, but got a lot of fucking nerve asking me that question, Ty.
I know. Fuck.
But yeah, so it's what, 8:30 for you?
Yes.
Nice.
8:30 for me.
What's your guys' plan today?
Dude, today we're driving to another place. We're driving to Duck Creek Village. It's in between Zion.
Oh, you're going to Duck Creek Village?
Yeah, it's in between Zion and Bryce, and then we're gonna go back and forth between Zion and Bryce.
Nice.
Yeah, I know what that
Yeah,
is.
dude. Yeah, I've never heard of Duck Creek Village either, so fuck off.
One minute
But yeah,
balance
I've heard-
price range.
I've heard of Zion. Apparently Zion's the craziest shit in the world. But yeah, it's
One.
a 5-hour drive, dude. It's gonna be brutal.
Damn. You guys have like a van or something?
We got 2 rental cars.
How many people are there with you?
There's 6 of us.
So you're just napping?
No, I'm awake.
No, I mean like on the drive. Are you just gonna be napping?
I don't know. Apparently it's gonna be like a super scenic drive, so I'll probably just look at the earth.
Alex isn't present enough, dude.
You're right,
He never is.
Oh, dude.
dude. I'm the most present human.
I have no ego, but I'm more present than anyone else's.
He's more
Yeah.
present than Gandhi, bro.
Exactly. Red Rock $sign. Dude, that's the Wi-Fi password is Red Rock $sign.
Whereas if we actually make a fucking high at 10:30 and then collapse,
Dude,
I can
if
see it
had
happening.
I can too. But I have to fucking hop at 10:30, so I'm gonna have to.
No.
Yeah, bro.
All right, it happens.
Yeah, that's true. That does happen.
Big Al, you ready for a big summer? Hello, Big Al.
Dude, he doesn't care about us when he's in Utah. It's pretty fucking clear.
I know, fuck that guy.
Talking about mountain biking and shit.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. I'm back, dude.
Whoa, no shirt. I'm putting that on the fucking stream.
Good, dude. It'll get you way more views.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I had to do it. Damn. Buddy's cooking.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's go, dude. Trading View's opening.
Wow, this guy's locking in on vacation. What a fucking loser.
That's just how bad I wanted it. I just want it more than you guys.
True.
What's going on with this thing?
So we're just gonna keep going higher here, huh? Is that what I'm saying?
Oh, bro, 10:30. Wait for it.
Oh, I'm waiting for
Bro,
you,
if,
Sean.
if we fucking make a swing point here and one of those 2 fucking indices makes a lower high, I'm going short immediately.
Big Sean, is that your trading plan?
Why are you asking about my... Nah, I'd go short on the 22 model once we got it. It's a fucking figure of speech, guys.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
We just need a little SMT on the high skis and we're in. Because we already got on the 15-minute with YM. 15, basically, all that bullshit. No, fuck it, I'll send it.
Listen, I'll send it if we get a good manipulation, like right here.
My nips.
Mi amo Ernesto.
Your nips?
My nips.
Nipples?
Capitulation.
cap. What you
Long,
want?
long,
That's
long, long,
bad.
long, 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 long. Sending in every order I have long. And then short it at 10:30.
Time-based delivery.
Yo, you best be chilling, fam. Know what's good for you.
Every order I have is long right now. Every account. Max contracts.
Rip in.
Whoa!
What?
Alex. KP said it looks like your hair. It looks like you have bunny ears on. Your hair is sticking
Damn,
up.
bro.
You look like you have a little bell on the top of your head.
Yeah, it looks good.
It plays long, long,
Oh,
long,
yeah, you
long,
can
long.
do you like that, bro?
Long, 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 long. God, beautiful.
You guys like ES or NQ more right now?
I like your mom.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Hey.
I like Nasdaq more right now for a long.
For a long motherfucker. Alright, I gotta hop on this call, but watch this. Right at 10:30,
Yep.
NQ's gonna sweep the high, ES won't. We break
You won't
below the
fucking short it
Okay.
on a call.
Don't you give up? Nah, nah, nah. Oh, damn. Oh, shit, dude.
Yeah.
But,
First
alright, boys.
lower
Enjoy
high.
your day, brother.
Peace out, biggest.
Send some pics.
Dude, the pics. I thought about sending you guys pictures, but it wouldn't even matter, dude.
No, I mean, I probably would look at it for 2 seconds and then
Right.
never think
You
about
go,
it again.
yo, that's Ty would be like,
I'd probably get off
Right.
to it.
Ty would be like, that's sick.
Yep, but alright, boys.
All right.
Peace, losers. You think you
Oh,
heard
yeah.
me? Big Al on the fucking call.
Nah, nah, nah. Yeah, dude, I gotta get reps in, dude. If I'm not getting better, I'm getting worse, you know?
Is there ever just a stagnant?
No.
There's no day where you're like net neutral, even if you like think about it. What if you just like think about it a little bit in your head?
Just to keep you neutral.
Yeah.
You're like half a rep in the brain.
Yeah.
Just picture a breaker and you're good.
That's what I'm saying. Like you picture your setup in your head. It's just like, all right, cool. That's a good. That'll keep me on my toes.
No, dude, I've been having FOMO even though I'm out here, bro. I'm literally out in the mountains. I'm like, is that a market maker cell model that I see on that mountain?
Is that a market maker sell model?
Bro,
You're a
10:30
silly goober.
10:30 yoink.
Ten, 5-minute KP. I just drew it. Atta boy. KP's finding the good ones.
Fair value gap.
Yeah, he literally just typed in as I'm drawing it out. He types in the chat. He goes 10, 5-minute fair value gap. I said, yep.
Attaboy. Attaboy.
Just took out the relative equal lows. 15-minute IO fed as well at the fair value gap right there.
Dude, the first 5-minute fair value gap used all day.
Yep.
I can't believe that breakaway gap from 9:30 wasn't even used, dude.
I
That's
know,
actually
didn't
crazy.
Even the one from 9:35 wasn't even used.
Yeah, like. Yeah, that 9:35 one should have just given everyone an option. Like, hey, if you want to go long right now,
That would be a great time. It's like, nope. Said, fuck you.
dude, what was the point of consolidating there on the 1 minute if it didn't even run a low? That's
I don't
ridiculous.
know. No idea. I just told you how bullish that shit was. Little
Think
bull
of
flag
Demanders.
right there. Little bull flag ripper.
Dude, no mouse and one monitor is crazy.
I love it. $9.99. I love it. Entry was $29.99. KP's entry.
Long.
Yep. Wait. Damn. Heck yeah.
$29.99. Holy shit.
Basically the bottom.
Oh, so you passed you did that with Apex application accounts?
Yep.
Fuck yeah. That's the way to fucking do it, dude. Honestly, just wait for CPI and just rip Apex accounts.
Well, he had Tradify accounts.
And you passed them?
I don't know. Yeah, he passed both of them today. Oh.
I'll be right back, Ty. Gotta drop a monster.
Copy the monster. Just gotta sit through all this consolidation. Bored. I don't like that.
Yeah, what high time frame PDAs do you have aside from the New Week Open gap that we're in right now?
Daily fair value gap from Thursday, February 27th. %, y'all. 100%, bro. That's the fucking. That's the mentality of the herd, bro. Mentality of the herd. Like, you can look for it, absolutely. Just don't gamble a fucking shitty ass setup. If the setup doesn't happen, then it doesn't fucking happen. Then I'm not taking it. Alex, fucking KP was like $100 away from passing an account, and his rebill is tomorrow. So it's like, what should I do? Should I go for it all or just wait until I get rebuild? I'm like, look, like this happened before where you're super close and you fucking fail just because you're trying to get a rebuild.
Right.
Or break the rebuild. Like, would you be more mad at yourself trying to go for it, lose the account, having to pay the rebill, or just for a new account and then having to start all the way back over, or just pay the rebill and have $100 to go?
Right.
It's just like buying a new account and just having a profit target of $100. Like,
Right. Yeah, you just bite the bullet.
it's a no-brainer, bro. No-brainer.
All right, we're making lower highs in the 1 minute.
Sure. Nothing looks good for me here, bro. I wish I would have gotten in like earlier, but not wish, but
These are the hardest days to trade, though. CPI,
mm-hmm.
one-sided, dude. It's like, how can you trust it? Like, in my mind, when I think of CPI, like I rarely think I have an advantage or a strategy.
A ninja like me would have put 5 minis to grab 2 points, yo. Dude, these people are wild, dude. Wild.
The 1 minute breaker now to the downside. 1022 low. 1021 low, actually. Wait, let me try again.
Say that all again?
1024 low, 1 minute breaker.
1024 low. Wow. That's a hell of a breaker right there, Big Al.
So I just reverse CPI with that sketchy looking breaker.
That is the sketchiest looking breaker I've ever seen in my life.
But it is one.
It absolutely, by definition, is one, for sure. That might be the most jank breaker I've ever seen. Like the only part of the breaker is a doji and a barely down closed candle.
I know.
I couldn't have drawn like a more jank
couldn't
breaker
figure
than
it
that.
out.
I literally couldn't have thought of a more jank breaker.
Yeah, dude. That's a generic brand breaker, dude.
That's crazy. ES used it well. Traded right up into the body. Sold off.
Dude, melt.
Melting, I'm melting. A melting pot. Little melt guy. Little melt piece.
Uh-oh.
little melt piece. YM's fucking tanking. We got a little melt piece.
Everybody now.
At least the CPI is high, bro. For ES. I mean, this thing's just gonna fucking drop. I might wait for a breaker inside of this leg somewhere. Have it create a swing high down, swing up over that high, and then 1 minute breaker.
Scary 2022 model to have conviction.
Yep.
So 1 hour doing.
I think she'll go. But like, yeah. You know what I mean? But like, yeah.
Exactly.
Breakaway gap should be 1041. And now we're just absolutely blowing through it.
Yeah, 5 minute consequent encroachments just being respected.
Beautifully.
This is what we call LLD. Demand a reaction or sideline. Or
You have that
confuse.
that trend line, 1 minute trend line going down.
Yeah.
That one actually might kind of work. It's kind of a wedge here.
This is when I want trend lines to work.
In this scenario. Little wedge guy.
Got back-to-back 1 minute fair value gaps.
See a
Oh,
little
yeah.
wedge piece.
Oh yeah, bud. It's a good close.
Great close.
It's gotta go though.
Oh, it looks like it's going. She looks like she's running for the races. Needs to break this 1 minute order block bullish. Trade through it pretty aggressively. Still holding NASDAQ's 10-10 fair value gap. Good comms, KP.
Go KP.
Still holding it
Appreciate
pretty
that.
nice. ES is now inverting that 10-10 fair value gap.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Banger. She'll tank here. She'll drop.
She's got nothing left to do except turn.
Tank. Tank. Also have this low I can want to go for. Fair value gap right there. Tank.
1 minute inversion and immediate rebalance. Time to go.
And 15 second balance range. Inversion breaker. 15 second. Tank.
So you're telling me every time frame is saying current?
The same tank.
Dude, this 1 minute's actually nice.
Yeah, beautiful. ES was great. ES was a great time.
Can only look at one, and I chose NASDAQ.
Damn, really? Dang. Dang. ES, dang. He said, I'm long. Sorry, boys. Good luck. I love it, KP.
The old rivalry.
Dang. See who comes out on the other side. Dang.
That's
I
not
love
a good
it.
reaction from a 1 minute immediate rebalance.
Not a great reaction at all. Oh, GG's. Took a short there, lost. GG's, K Pizzle.
Okay, Pizzle.
Sheesh. Bully. Oh, unrealized on Take Profit Trader. I didn't have any of those fucking trades on. Love.
Well, we love when that happens.
Love. That's why.
1050 stop run.
Said at the highs.
We got SMT on those.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Tank. T-fried tank.
That would be all it would need, dude. New week open gap high one more time. Run on the 1 minute lick.
Tank.
1050 stop run. I feel it. Wow. Raining and down the beach. Wow, that's amazing, dude. It's raining all week at the beach. I couldn't detail anyway. Literally
Let's
just don't
go.
even have to have FOMO.
Love.
Love, 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 love. Dude, yesterday it was 90 degrees here in Moab,
Yeah.
and we biked in the desert all day, and there was 20-mile-an-hour winds with like 50-mile-an-hour gusts that would just like almost smack you off your bike. And then
Damn.
the place we're driving to is like 30 degrees tomorrow or today.
Damn.
This is an insane state, dude. Utah actually makes no sense at all. I don't even know how to describe it, dude.
True. That's fine.
Fucking Mater, dude. Toe Mater.
Toe Mater.
Dude, when we were driving through here, I was like, yo, I feel like I'm in Radiator Springs from Cars. And I saw 2 Maters.
2 Toe Maters.
2 Toe Maters. Alright, well, that is not a good turtle soup.
For the old Selskis.
It's just a bullish mug, dude.
Yeah, it is. Well, I'm going to be getting off here, boys. Took that L,
Yeah,
trying to
me
go
too.
short. GG's, going long, boys.
Yeah, let's go, KP. We celebrate you.
Yes, sir. GG's.
Alright. It was good shooting the shit for a bit. Peace out, brother.
Love it. Peace, dog. Peace, boys.